because I'm no more comfortable with him. How's it that in my own house I can't have rest? Every time this man will be here, either give me this, give me that, give me this, give me that. I don't want him anymore because I'm no more comfortable with him. You understand me?
How sure are you Chifomenka did not have anything in common with this man so-called madman?
Come on. Abijay, I don't think Menka has anything to do with the bad person.
Your children! Hey! That's a little blood! Hey! Yes, I'm talking now! What up? Them already died!
Please, honey. I beg in the name of God. Do you know if this man is a godsend?
How do you mean by godsend? You explain to me, Omenka. How do you mean by godsend?
Please have mercy on him. He's just an ordinary poor madman.
I was with Chifomenka yesterday, and he was telling me that you have a hand in his children's death.
How?
I don't know.
Why must Somenka say a thing like this?
So I was so surprised.
He asked me for a solution which I gave to him.
Which I knew very well.
Did I ask him to use it on his children?
Oh.
Hey.
Chop.
I began to sense something about this madman. This man always say, if you do good to yourself, to do bad to yourself.
Yes, Agu. You are right.
Think about it.
This is not just a madman.
Really?
He must be a spiritualist.
You are there. You made the point.
To yourself. You do bad to yourself.
Exactly.
What have I done to myself? Hey!